Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access battery section. Battery and device care. In it, click on battery, scroll all the way down and choose more battery settings. Lastly, scroll down one more time and click on this switcher next to fast charging to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!